Okay, so this is a excuse me. It's a good Smith's quarter chimer Westminster movement. You'll notice it's only got one set of cams on the barrel there, so we know it's only going to be the Westminster or another chime, the most commonly Westminster. The reason I'm doing this video is really just to show something which is particularly difficult to express in words in the blog. So while I really do not like doing videos, I just want to demonstrate something here. So this is all about setting the balance of a clock. All Mantle clocks are set up so that if they're set on an uneven surface, then the pendulum at the back here can be adjusted to allow for the offset from the horizontal. Now, the way that you do this is first of all to place your finger on the crutch here and just feel where the click is happening. Now, you might not be able to hear this, but I can feel that very clearly on the end of the crutch where the click is happening. And I can see it's pretty near the vertical of the clock if the clock is assumed to be standing on a horizontal surface. When I push the crutch left or right, I reach a point of resistance. But that resistance can be pushed against to allow the crutch to move very slightly to the left, as you see it move there. And now, when I move the crutch left and right, I can feel that that point of clicking is either out of range and I've pushed it too far, as I have in this instance, in which case I can just find the point of resistance and push it back into spec and feel that tick-tock. And the process of balancing a clock on an uneven surface, and most mantelpieces in older houses aren't, perfectly 0 degrees horizontal, is simply a process of adjusting this sort of angle of the dangle, if you like, against the offset that the clock is set at. So, as you can imagine, that would have been quite difficult to explain in words, and I think this is an excellent demonstration of how it's done. So there you go. I hope you got something from it.